Chapter 4. Replacing the air intake filter. Do not attempt to perform service on a hot tool. Always allow unit to cool completely and disconnect from power source before performing any service on the heat gun. Step 1. Using a small pocket screwdriver, wedge the blade of the screwdriver underneath the plastic filter near the opening of the power cord and pry filter upwards. The plastic filter should unsnap from the heat gun. Step 2. Depending on the condition of the filter, use compressed air to blow out filter and the air intake area of the heat gun. In some cases, the filter will need to be replaced. Step 3. Replace new filter with molded numbers on the filter facing outward. Press into place starting at bottom, open end of filter, and slowly press downward as you move up the edge of the filter. The new filter should snap into place.